Woody, thanks for having me again. Wait till I show you what we did this year. We did we're just getting ready to unload the buffalo skull. That's all hand forged.
So the skull, when we get it off the truck, you'll get to see that there are initials in it. And what we're doing is people are paying $10 each, and they get their initials carved into the buffalo, and then they receive a patch in return that says "Left my mark."
Star up here, and these are links to choose.
It says "Left my mark" at the Buffalo Chip, 69th annual, 28th annual for Buffalo Chip. You come here at the Bare Bones booth for $10. You can get a patch. You can put your initials in the buffalo that will be lasered in.
You're at the Buffalo Chip.